This is part 3 of the shrimp. In this video, we started with what called the popcorn shrimp or the sexy shrimp. Need a little bit of concentration. There are more than one on the video. If you look at it, you might see the big one, but if you look around it, there are more small shrimps around it. It's good for people who like macro and what might help them where to look for this sort of shrimp. Second one, banded shrimp. It's and at the end, the third shrimp, it is the blue spotted glass shrimp, or what they call it, dancing shrimp. I hope you have good time with this video, and I will see you after the video. I'd like to thank you again for your time, and I hope you like this clip. If you like it, please give thumb up, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and share the video with friends so more people know about the secret of Musandam seas. Hopefully in the future more video coming about the shrimp. And as always, I remind people not to keep any garbage or rubbish by the beach or along the ocean, to keep nice clean environment. And I will see you in the next video.